In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up custom invoice templates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to add a personal touch to your invoicing, this guide will walk you through the process in just 5 minutes, making it simple and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to start by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you've navigated to the sign-in page, simply enter your email or username just as you normally would. After entering your credentials, click on Continue to proceed. QuickBooks will verify your information and you'll be quickly directed to your dashboard. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access the settings where you can manage your invoice templates. Head over to the upper right hand corner of the screen where you'll see a gear icon. This is the settings menu. Click on it to expand your options. It might seem overwhelming at first with all the different settings available, but don't worry, we'll focus on what you need for customizing your invoices. Next, from the settings drop down, look for custom form styles. This section is where you'll create or edit your personalized invoice templates. Click on custom form styles and you'll be directed to a page that lists all your current forms. Once you're on the custom form styles page, you'll notice there are several templates available. Typically, the default form is already set up for new accounts. Find this default form and click on it. Doing so will open a new window where you can start customizing the design and layout of your invoice. Here's where the creative part begins. You can play around with various elements like color schemes, fonts, and even the positioning of your company's logo. QuickBooks offers several options to tailor the appearance to better reflect your brand identity. Take a moment to explore the different formats and design options available. Once you're satisfied with how your invoice looks, it's important to save your changes. Look for the Save or Done button at the bottom of the customization screen. Click on it and QuickBooks will update your invoice template with all the tweaks you've made. With your new custom invoice template set up, you're ready to start sending invoices that are both professional and uniquely yours. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime you wish to make further adjustments or to try out new designs. Customizing your invoices not only helps in representing your brand better, but also enhances the overall experience for your clients. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're now more confident in navigating QuickBooks Online to create the perfect invoice template for your business. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore other QuickBooks features that can help streamline your financial operations.